All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Ford Transit. It is a T-150, mid-roof, long wheelbase with 26,000 miles. Beautiful white with gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. You got your backup camera. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage on the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. And your tire dirt here is just over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here we do have a couple of dings here and some more back here. A couple of things from the inside out. Not a big deal. Some with paint off, most without any paint off. There's some chips here. There's some heavy scratching here. Some more there. Boom. Some here. All right. Just not very typical on these trucks. Here's your rear passenger, driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread is under 730 seconds, above 4. I'm gonna double check that. Actually, the edge here is over 730 seconds. Double checking it. Just at the line, actually. All right, call it under 7. Got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks pretty good. Looks good, looks good. Let me jump into his vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manual. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera right up here. Boom. My dog's sleeping. Got your instrument cluster here. As you can see, it does need some gas, which I'll put in, and does have a tire pressure light on. Mileage is 26,404. Keeping it moving. Coming around. Rear bumper. Looks okay. It's got a couple of dings, you know what I mean, but it's not a big deal. And again, it's a construction truck. It's pretty tough. The doors though look pretty good. I don't see much damage to them. All right. This is of course what your inside cargo area looks like. Boom. Some heavy scratching and stuff like that coming around, but your wheel well does have a couple of little ding there. Another one up there. Likewise over here, got some scratches. Over here, some light scratches. You can do what you want with this. Actually, they sell a rubber mat you can just put on here, and all that goes away. Here's your door, and this one looks pretty good. Check out this one. This one looks pretty good as well. This quarter, looks pretty good. We do have a few dings from the inside out. Just a couple, not as much as the other side, but we do have some. This rear passenger steel wheel. Tire thread is over 730 seconds. Let me double check here, just at the line of 730 seconds. This sliding door does have a dent here. Actually, it looks like it came from the inside out and broke some stuff here, some paint, cracked some paint off. All right, we do have a few dings there. Let's check it out here. Your side cargo area, what that looks like, very nice. Oh, I just saw a dent right there. Very nice. Does have these types of I guess chips or heavy scratching, whatever you want to call it. See that little dent up there? We're gonna check that out. We're gonna check out the back. Starting from the back. All right. The roof actually looks damn good. The roof is not damaged, it's just the side. Let's check this out. Yeah, it's just really right here. All right, with some paint off. And then another little one over here. All right, but the rest of the roof looks good. And I guess that's partially a roof, partially not. This door does have a chip here and another one there. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. Get tire tread. Over 730 seconds. Lights are working, car is on, things are beautiful. Folks, once again, I almost tripped. Folks, once again, this is the 2018 Ford Transit, the T-150 long wheelbase mid-roof with 26,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.